guys wash whites, what formula are you using on here?
We use F1 line.
Okay. You know how to change this, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing that you do before you start a wash on these is to adjust this to match what you're washing.
Right.
If it's not matching up, you're not going to get the right soap to match what you're washing in here. So we got to see how many fragrances it has and how hot the water gets in here. A lot of times, people will pick the shortest cycle so they can flip the clothes faster, but it won't clean them and you're going to end up double washing because the wash formula isn't matched up with your chemical formula. So we'll see how hot this water gets. If it calls for hot water, then we should be fine. So you're in a pre-wash right now. Typically, for whites, we're going to have 2 pre-washes and then a hot wash in the middle where you get your bleach and everything. So we'll see what this does. Because are you having trouble with your whites, right? This might be why. And last week, I was in here and I changed up your chemical formulas. So I added more break. You notice how you've been changing those more, right? That's going to go in first with the detergent and help break up all the soils on all those towels and on all your whites. So you should notice the difference if you have hot water now and you have more break going in. We need the hot water on the towels and your whites because it opens up the fibers so that the temperature of the water and the chemicals can help clean it. If it doesn't get hot, then they don't open and then we can't clean anything.
The water's not hot enough. Maybe.
Really?
Maybe.
Okay.
So what is it to right now, Sean?
It was at 140. Now I'm gonna put it at 160.
Oh, okay.
And then we keep an eye and see.
Yeah. Also, with your whites that are heavily soiled, we have this G-List here. Are y'all using this? Okay. Make sure you use this on whites. That'll help. Becky was saying how she's having issues with the tablecloths. When you guys get those from her, are you just washing those by themselves?
Yeah.
Which cycle are you using though?
I use 4.
This, I can go in here and see how many times you use this for the whole month, and 4 hasn't been used at all. So, it's all mostly on 3.
I mean, that's what
That you're using on. Use 4 for those now. And then she has a pre-spotter that she's going to use for hers to help get some of that stuff, like you do on the towels. She's going to use that on hers before they come in here, right? Because you want to do it before, and then you wash all the tables on 4. I will also say on this machine, since it's so much smaller, probably do less. So what happens when you overfill these is there's no mechanical action, because what's cleaning it is when it falls and it's rubbing into each other to clean it. When it's this full, it just goes in a circle the whole time, so it doesn't get any mechanical cleaning. So
Yeah.
when you load it, put a fist in all the way back, kind of rule of thumb, and you can just make sure, because if you go all the way full like that, you're not going to get good mechanical action. See, that's the perfect amount.
now you can see the soap. I like to see my soap.
This is the perfect amount of clothes in here. Try and do everything like that.
Yeah.